Hello to all my friends. Today we make different type of carrot cake. As you see, we can make it gâteau, we can make Swiss roll, also we can use it as a beautiful traditional cake. The recipe is fantastic. You will see different recipe, very easy way. You can make it in 4 minutes maximum. You don't need machine, you don't need mixer. And all the garnish, and I will show you two type of cream cheese to make a beautiful taste for the cake. Also you can use it as a cake for tea time, just sugar powder, and you eat it with coffee. Please, if this first time to watch my channel, I would love to make subscribe. Please leave your comment and make like. First, we grated 180 gram of fresh carrot. The whole recipe I will write it in description box below. 2 eggs, 80 gram brown sugar, 90 ml oil, 1 gram vanilla powder, 125 gram flour, 6 gram baking powder, 2 gram baking soda, 2 gram cinnamon, 1.5 gram salt, sea salt, 180 gram shredded carrot, and 40 gram walnut. All dry ingredient together. Vanilla we mix with the 2 eggs. In meantime, I put sugar, eggs, brown sugar is very important, brown sugar to give the dough moisture. The best way to cut walnut by knife, so you have chunk, little piece, you can feel it, and also easy to mix with the all ingredients. Carrot, walnut, baking powder, baking soda, cake flour or all-purpose flour with cinnamon. With hand mix, I make sure that I blend egg and brown sugar together until be creamy, light sabayon. Then I will add it the oil. It's like you make mayonnaise. As you see, it's very easy. It's finished. Now all ingredient together. In 2 minutes. This cake ring 15 centimeter, very important to know, 15 centimeter, not 20, not 26. So if you want big cake, you can double the recipe. I wrap plastic and open the top, so I don't need to spray the paper or oil spray or butter, just fresh plastic. The whole mixture together inside the dough, and this dough for one cake ring 15 centimeter or one tray 30 by 50 centimeter. So I bake 170 for 30 minutes, and the same recipe I can make it in one tray 30 by 50 centimeter. Then I can make it gâteau or Swiss roll. 120 cream fresh, have lemon juice, 30 gram sugar, and 70 gram fresh cream. Very easy recipe. This is the first frosting cream. End of the video, I will show you my own recipe, which I prefer to use. Is maybe little expensive, but is give amazing taste. As you see, all by my hand. If you have hand mixer or kitchen aid, will be much better. So the cream is ready. I put in a small bowl and keep in the fridge until I use it for the cake. Before I take the cake out of the oven, I put skewer to be sure that the cake is cooked. When the cake is cooled down, I put in the fridge 1 hour. Then I cut 2 tire, and then I piping my cream. You pipe the cream. If you want to put some syrup inside, I know some chefs put cubes of pineapple, which give more taste. I fill in the middle, I fill the sides. I keep in the fridge for 2-3 hours just to set. I cover with hazelnut roasted slice, or you have almond slice, which give different taste. Little piece of marzipan, I make it as a carrot, and a little piece of green marzipan. Just with the knife roll it as stripe to give the impression of the carrot. Little green marzipan. The carrot cake is ready. I will show you the other way. This you can use in the first of the video was I make cake and Swiss roll, which is the same instruction. And now I show you my own recipe. 200 gram normal butter, 100 gram of powder sugar, and 200 gram of Philadelphia cream. And this frosting really tasty, very amazing, and you will feel the difference. I use hand mixer just to make sure the cream is soft and fluffy. Then I added the cheese cream. I mix again. Use hand blender. As you see, you can imagine the flavor and the taste. This cream I use for red velvet, I use it for carrot cake, and for any special cake I have. It's really give amazing taste. Thank you for watching my channel. I hope to leave your comment, give me your opinions.